Autoglym pressure washer shampoo is formulated for use in all types of household pressure washers. Simply add to the detergent container of a portable pressure washer and use as directed by the manufacturer. Pressure wash contains a balanced blend of surface active ingredients to lift grease, grime and traffic film without harm to polished paintwork, plastic and trim. It has been specially formulated for vehicle exteriors but is also suitable for engines, garden machinery and plastic garden furniture. Autoglym pressure washer shampoo can be used in all household pressure washers, removes grease, grime and traffic film, and is suitable for plastics and engines and garden machinery.